This is the car mount, and it does what it says on the tin. It's a car mount for your iPhone that wirelessly charges as well. Now, there's a reason why this is the best-selling car mount on the market today. First of all, let's check it out, see how it's set up, and see how it works actually in the car. Okay, we've got 4 mounting options. Now, this is the car mount. We've got the suction cup, we've got the dashboard mount, we've got the other dashboard mount which works in conjunction with the suction cup, just like that, and then we've got the vent mount, which is pretty unique. This is simple, but it works really well. We're going to check each of these out to see which one's the best one to use. Now, personally, I think I'm going to go for the dashboard mount, because I've been dying for a decent dashboard mount for a long time in this car. This particular dashboard is a little bit awkward when it comes to mounting things, because there's not many flat spaces. So something to think about when you're mounting it in your car, where you're going to use it. But having all these different options with this car mount is amazing, because every car is different. Just something to think about. But the fact that you've got all these different mounts really helps, and it comes in very handy because you can mount it in different options. The car mount actually fits with every one of these mounts. It's a ball mount attachment which sort of clips onto the ball of each of these mounts, so it works with every one, which is brilliant. So you just get one of these car mounts. Let's take that sticky bit off just quickly. Magnetic, of course, so it works with your MagSafe phones, which is brilliant. I'm going to just put the vent on here. Now, the unusual thing about this vent, which I haven't seen on other car mounts, is the fact that it's got a tightening screw. Other ones just sort of clip on and hope for the best. This one you can tighten up so it's not coming off. Let's tighten that up at the back so it doesn't move once it's on there. And then I've got that on like so. It does move a little bit, but that's the vent moving, not the actual mount. So perfect. The wire that comes with it is USB-C to USB-A, so it can work with any QC 3.0 charger. Recommended because then you get the fast charging option. The mount is underneath, so we just click it in, and then we can plug this in to the charger. I've got one built into this car. Let's hope it works. I think I may need to turn the car on. Yeah, it's charging on there when the car's on. This USB-C is just a normal USB-C port, so it's not a charge. It is a charging port, but it's mainly for connecting music or something. So if you've got a power delivery charger that can plug into your 12 volt down here, that'll be even better, and then you'll get the fast charging option. That's great, that works brilliant. And we've got the wire is long enough to reach probably to the back as well. It's about 1 meter, the wire, and USB-C to USB-A. We're going to try the suction mount, because there's other suction mounts in the past that sort of don't suction. They say they're suction mounts, but these ones have a really sticky, reusable surface to them, which is brilliant. So we're going to put this onto the dash. I like to have it down the right hand side here, because then it's not really in your view. Now it's got like a switch which you press down to suction it there, and then you can adjust it out like so, and the angle of it as well. So let's get this on there. Okay, and then it magnetizes on there, and that is very steady. That's not coming off there at all. So I need to think about where I'm going to mount this, but the fact that I've got loads of different options is amazing. You have got some little cleaners here that come with it, so you can attach this to your dashboard, probably there or there on a flat surface. Those are the only flat surfaces in my car, so make sure you clean the surface first, helps it stick on there. Make sure you leave that on there 12 hours before you use it, so make sure it's got 3M stick on the back, so that will stick on there really well. And then you can attach this suction cup to the plate, and that's the way of doing it to the dashboard. This other one is probably going to be my option. You know, you could put it down here like so. We could put it in, maybe on there like that. You know what, really impressed with it. The fact that you've got all these different mounting options is brilliant, and it helps you when it comes to using it with different cars. So it's really great quality. The charging works, the magnet's very strong, and it's really adjustable. I'm a big fan of this, and that's probably the reason it's one of the best selling car mounts you can buy on the market today. So that's the car mount. Very, very impressed with it. And like I said, it comes with all of these accessories in the box. If you buy this bundle, I will link everything you need in the description down below. Really impressed with the strength of the magnets on here, the mounting options you've got. The fact it's USB-C is really good, and it comes with one of those wipes in the box. If there's any negatives at all, then I'd like to have some more of these wipes because we can reapply it in different places, so it'd be good to have more of those. And the only other negative is it doesn't come with a charger in the box. I do think there is a bundle on the website which actually includes a car charger. They do other accessories as well on the website, so I'll link everything in the description down below. But it'd be nice if there was a car charger actually in this box, but there wasn't. That's not a massive issue because you've got a bunch of different accessories, a bunch of different mounting options, and I really like it. It's really well made. It is made of plastic, but it feels really well made. I'm a fan of it. It's something I'm going to be using in the coming weeks and months. I'll keep you updated on any issues or any problems I have with it in the pinned comments down below, but I'm really impressed with the car mount. Go and check them out in the link down below, but that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.